Hello. Recently I got a question regarding the lowest interior noise microphone measurement system for multi-channel applications. For example, something like sound power measurements for very noiseless devices. So in a car chamber. So for this application we can use here the multi-channel system 16XLR NVH system, including the dedicated software for it. Regarding the measurement microphone, I have here a IEPE powered half-inch microphone with an interior noise of 6.5 dBA. It has a sensor sensitivity of about 320 millivolt per Pascal. So means with this sensor we can measure from 6.5 dBA up to 104 dBA. How does it work here? I will show you right now. I have here the calibrator. And as first, I will, you see here the German user interface, but we have it also in English language. So, okay, I will close this. So I will start the application again. So now it's English. So. So now it's a 16-channel system, and I can enable here, for example, all 16 channels from one, so 16 microphone input channels. But it has also two AC inputs in addition. So, but we can use this number. So then next, on channel number 1, I have here the MMS 214 microphone. And the range input, the analog range input is 6.615 volt RMS. So as next, so channel number 2 is also 6.6150. So as next, we have here several functions. For example, for vibration measurements, the integration of vibration acceleration, vibration velocity, and vibration displacement. Or here we can enable the sound power measurement with expected correction factors, which we can key in here. But for this test, I just want to show you the floor noise behavior of the system. So this should be okay here. So now as next, I start as first with the calibration, but I will arrange this here a little bit different. So like this. now I start with the calibration. So I have here the calibrator. Now I enable it. So here, of course, I have to choose my microphone calibrator deliver 94 dB at 1000 Hertz. So here we can now see that the current sensor sensitivity in this actual arrangement, or in this measurement, with this measurement chain, it is 322 millivolt per Pascal. So now this channel is calibrated. So I make this value also to the second channel. Now I say apply. So now I take this display here. So here I will make bigger fonts. I will move this here. So now we can see here the level versus time, and here we see the 94 dBA. So the FFT spectra display I will arrange a little bit different. So let's make to 22 kilohertz. So, and you can display it from minus 40 dB to 120. So, if I switch it off, so then we can see that here the interior noise of the system is now in the area of 52 dBA. Now I disconnect the microphone and shortcut here the input. So already now we can see that the interior noise in this combination with this calibration, the DAQ system have a interior noise of about 6 dBA. So now if I again remove this so that you see that this is here more or less a live measurement. So now we see again that we get here now our 94 dBA calibration value. So I will stop this here and change the display. So let's make here from also from minus 40. So here we see also the level versus time value if I switch off the device, so means in this calibrator the noise is about 15 dBA, and if I shortcut this here electrically, so then the system go back to about 7 dBA. So that's all for the moment. Thank you very much, and I wish you a pleasant day.